Dream guard. Even while sleeping, a mother elephant rests lightly. She can wake in seconds to protect her calf from danger. Trunk pillow. The baby often sleeps touching mom's leg or under her belly, feeling her heartbeat for safety and comfort. Standing shield. Mom may doze standing up, forming a living wall, because in the wild, love never fully sleeps. Mother elephants and babies sleep standing. Babies lean on mom for support. Wild elephants sleep only 2 hours a day, less than any other mammal. Mothers often sleep standing up to protect their calves, ready to move instantly. Baby elephants dream, and moms gently wake them if danger approaches.